Question வந்து estimate the molecular diameter and diffusion coefficient at 25 degree for the following proteins. Ribonuclease molecular weight 13,700 Dalton, hemoglobin 68 kDa, urease 480 kDa. Assuming the molecules are spherical and the density of each protein molecule is 1.3 gram per centimeter cube. Viscosity of water at 25 degree is 0.001 kg over ms. Universal gas constant R is equal to 8.314 into 10 to the power minus 3 joule per mole Kelvin. Avogadro number is equal to 6.023 into 10 power 23. Okay, this is the question. So, இப்போ நம்ம என்ன பண்றோம்னா ribonuclease is A, B hemoglobin, C urease, and the molecular weights 13700 Dalton, 68000 Dalton, 48000 Daltons. Molecular weights in Dalton. So the formula for diffusion coefficient is D, which is equal to 9.4 into 10 to the power minus 15 times temperature over viscosity into molecular weight to the power 1 by 3. So இங்க வந்து நம்ம constant T is equal to 25 degrees Celsius, which is equal to 298 Kelvin, and mu is equal to 0.001 kg over ms. இரண்டு constants. Therefore these two can be replaced. Replace பண்ணி எழுதுனா calculate பண்ண value is 2.8 into 10 to the power minus 9. This is the only variable. So இது அப்படியே variable plug பண்றோம். So m power 1 by 3. Therefore the diffusion coefficient of A, say ribonuclease, is equal to 2.8 into 10 to the power minus 9 over molecular weight is 13,700. So cube root of 13700, which is equal to 1.7 into 10 to the power minus 10. The unit of diffusion coefficient is meter per second, right? So meter per second. Then for B is hemoglobin. Hemoglobin, what is the value for molecular weight? 68000. So on calculating this value, we get around 6.86 into 10 to the power minus 11 meter per second. And DC, that is the diffusion coefficient of urease, which is equal to 2.8 into 10 to the power minus 9 over cube root of 48000, which is equal to 3.58 into 10 to the power minus 11 meter per second. These are the three values. Then the second part is the calculating the molecular diameter. Molecular diameter can be calculated using the formula Stokes-Einstein equation, where the radius of Stokes-Einstein denoted by RSC, which is equal to RT over 6 pi d mu n, where R is equal to 8.314 into 10 to the power minus 3 joule per mole Kelvin. T is equal to 298 Kelvin, and mu 0.001 kg over ms, and 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 molecules per mole. This is 1 by mole. Right? So D is a variable, and all the other things are constant. R is known, T is known, mu is known, N is known. So we can create a generalized expression. Say R times T is equal to 2.4776, and the denominator value and we have to estimate the molecular diameter, right? Diameter is equal to 2 times radius. So ultimately the answer would be 2 times RSC, right? So we have to multiply it by 2. So it becomes 2 into, we have calculated RT as 2.4776 divided by denominator. Denominator is 6 pi d mu n 1 3. The value of pi mu n comes around 5.67 into 10 to the power 21. So we create a generalized expression 4.36 into 10 to the power minus 22 with a single variable, the diffusion coefficient. So the diameter of protein A is equal to 4.36 into 10 to the power minus 22 over D, which is equal to 1.7 into 10 to the power minus 10 meter per second. So ultimately we get the units of Armstrong, that is a meter, so which comes around 32 into 10 to the power minus 2 Armstrong, and the diameter of protein B is equal to 4.36 into 10 to the power minus 22 divided by 6.86 into 10 to the power minus 11 meter per second. So the unit would be in Armstrong 6.36 into 10 to the power minus 2 Armstrong. And diameter of protein C, that is urease diameter, comes around 4.36 into 10 to the power minus 22 divided by Tc, which is equal to 3.58 into 10 to the power minus 11 meter per second, comes around 1.217 into 10 to the power minus 1 Armstrong. Ultimately the answer equal to 37.2 into 10 to the power minus 3 Armstrong, 63.6 into 10 to the power minus 3 Armstrong, which is equal to 121.7 into 10 to the power minus 3 Armstrong. We are writing this because R is given as 8.314 into 10 to the power minus 3. Generally it would be 8.314. Since 10 power minus 3 is added here, numerator, Stokes-Einstein has R in the numerator. Therefore, it gets multiplied by 10 power 3 minus 3. So we get it. Or else it would be 37 Armstrong, 63 Armstrong, 121 Armstrong, or the diameter of protein A, the ribonuclease, hemoglobin, urease. Thank you.